Do you ever check your bank balance and wonder, where did all my money go? If that sounds familiar, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you 3 simple ways to track your expenses and finally take control of your money. Here's the truth. You can't save or invest properly if you don't know where your money is going. Most people underestimate how much they spend on little things: coffee, food delivery, shopping. By tracking your expenses, you'll see patterns, cut what's unnecessary, and actually start saving without feeling restricted. The first method is the classic notebook method. Simply write down every expense the moment you spend money, even if it's just $1. This is the easiest way to build awareness, and all you need is a pen and paper. The second method is using a spreadsheet. You can create one in Excel or Google Sheets. Just make columns for date, category, and amount, then total it at the end of the week. This method is perfect if you want more structure and visual clarity. Plus, you can add charts to see where your money really goes. The third method is using free apps like Pocket Guard or Wally. These apps connect to your bank account and track everything automatically. It's quick, easy, and great if you don't want to manually write things down. Just open the app once a week and review your spending. No matter which method you choose, here are 3 tips. Write down every single expense, even small ones. Review your spending weekly, not just monthly. Categorize your expenses into food, transport, shopping, bills, and savings. This makes it easier to spot overspending. Expense tracking isn't about restriction, it's about control. Once you know where your money is going, you'll finally feel in charge of your finances. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more money tips every week. And remember, smart money today, freedom tomorrow.